Hello everyone, welcome to Ignition Workshop. In today's video I'm going to be installing this Armster armrest in my Fiat 500. Now if I do a close-up unboxing you get to see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to have a little look inside. Let's see what we've got. So, we've got the armrest in here. Now let's have a look. Ooh, that's very nice. Look, we've got some soft touch leather on here. Removable pouch. Now this is very, very nice considering it's an aftermarket piece. Set that to the side, and the most important thing, as my father ordered this, he ordered it incorrectly. So he bought the pre-facelift armrest piece that attaches over the cup holders, and this is the facelift for us, a 2019 model. I think we should install it. Okay, so the first instruction is to join this piece to this piece with the 4 longer screws included. They also have the washers on top, so that goes on that way. This way is to go in between the cup holders. To stop it sliding back and forth, and it blocks the cup holder it covers, so there's no dirt and grime going in there, which is a nice touch. So I'm going to put this on here now. Just something to point out, the longer the screwdriver the easier it is, as it's quite a long way to go in. So I've got it inside the car here. I've got it sitting just over the cup holders. Now the rear cup holder luckily will still be in use, as that tab on the back of this piece of plastic here covers this one cup holder that it is sitting over. So what I'm going to do here is use a very small drill bit to just go through the holes for a pilot drill, so the screws will go in a bit easier. So the pilot drill is done. Now I'm just going to do these by hand, as it is a soft plastic. Goes in really easily, and it's a very straightforward, simple installation, which I like. So now I'm going to give them a final tighten up. They won't go up super tight as it is a very soft plastic. There we are. I think it's time to have a little sit. So I'm in my driving position here. Now just instantly this has transformed the car. It was my only criticism really. I find this car really comfortable considering it's a Fiat 500. It's very small, very comfortable for me, but the only thing it was lacking was an armrest. Now I've got this installed, I'm over the moon. So it's got a little pouch here for money. Now you can pop things in it. You can even put your phone in there if you wanted to, but it's just the quality. I'm very surprised by it. It's absolutely fantastic, and you can clip this to your belt if you wanted to. Probably not for me, but you can. In here we've also got some storage, really nicely carpeted in there. I'll get a little close-up shot for you now. And then you've got pen holders here. You know, for such a small package, it's very good quality, and I'm very impressed. So, as I said, my dad ordered the wrong one, and their service was absolutely fantastic. So I can't speak highly enough of them. Hopefully this helps you in some sort of way. Thank you for watching.
Oh no, I'm super chuffed with that. I tell you, you've done a great job there. Yeah, I am so chuffed with that. It's really good quality. I love it. Yeah, it's fantastic. Absolutely loving it. And the car was already, the seats are fantastically comfortable, but that, I think it's fantastic.
That'll make long journeys perfectly acceptable now.
Yeah, I'm super chuffed. I can't believe it fits my sunglasses as well. It's brilliant.
It's
yeah, and they've been rattling around the door pocket.
Your coins won't rattle anymore.
No, and I hate that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wicked.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways.